Stop! Before you spend hundreds of hours learning AI, there's one thing most beginners get completely wrong. They think ChatGPT is AI, but ChatGPT is just one tiny piece of a massive AI ecosystem. And because of this misunderstanding, people waste months learning the wrong things. Today, I'm going to show you the complete AI map in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll understand artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI NLP, AI agents, MCP automation, N8N workflows, and how people are making money using these technologies right now. If you haven't watched video 1, go watch it immediately after this video. In video 1, we discussed why AI is changing jobs, which careers are growing, why AI users are replacing non-AI users. Today's video is the foundation of everything that comes next. Today's video goal, after watching this video, viewers will understand what AI actually is, difference between AI, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI NLP, natural language processing, why ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are different, what AI agents are, what MCP is, what AI automation means, what N8N workflows are, how people make money using AI roadmap for next videos. So without wasting time, let's begin. Imagine teaching a child. You show cat, dog, bird again and again. Eventually, the child recognizes patterns. Artificial intelligence works similarly. AI is simply machines performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Examples: understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, writing content, creating videos, generating code, predicting outcomes. The goal isn't making robots. The goal is making machines capable of intelligent actions. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of programming every rule, we give data. The system learns patterns. Example: you feed 1 million spam emails. The model learns certain words, certain links, certain structures, then automatically identifies future spam. This is machine learning. Examples: Netflix recommendations, Amazon suggestions, YouTube recommendations, credit card fraud detection, stock market predictions. Self-driving technology, deep learning, is a more advanced form of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. This technology powers ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude image generation, voice cloning, AI video creation. Modern AI breakthroughs happen because deep learning became powerful. Generative AI creates new content, not just analyzes. Creates. Examples: ChatGPT writes articles, Midjourney creates images, Sora generates videos, Claude writes reports, Gemini generates research. Examples viewers understand. Student asks, explain photosynthesis. AI creates explanation. Designer asks, create logo. AI generates logo. Business owner asks, write marketing campaign. AI creates campaign. This is generative AI, and this is currently the fastest growing AI industry. NLP means natural language processing. It allows computers to understand human language. Without NLP, ChatGPT wouldn't understand your questions. Gemini couldn't summarize documents. Claude couldn't analyze reports. Examples: Google Translate voice assistants, customer support bots, speech recognition ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Every time you chat with AI, you are using NLP. ChatGPT best all-rounder. Great for learning coding, writing business automation, Gemini strong. For research, Google ecosystem, fact-gathering, web-connected tasks. Claude strong for long documents, reasoning analysis reports. Key lesson: don't ask, which AI is best? Ask, which AI is best for this task? This is where AI becomes truly powerful. An AI chatbot waits for commands. An AI agent takes actions. Example: receive customer inquiry, read email, check database, generate reply, send response, without human involvement. That's an AI agent. MCP model, context protocol. Think of MCP as a universal connector. It allows AI models to securely connect with tools and data. Instead of manually copying information, AI can directly interact with systems. This is becoming one of the most important skills in AI. N8N. N8N is a workflow automation platform. Example: customer submits form, AI analyzes request, creates response, saves data, sends email automatically. Businesses pay thousands for these automations. People are making money through AI content creation, AI video production, AI automation, AI consulting, prompt engineering, chatbot development, N8N automation services, AI agent development, AI marketing, AI freelancing. Many beginners start earning before becoming experts. Now you understand the AI landscape. But understanding AI is not enough. You need to know how to use the most important tools. In the next video, we'll dive deep into ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. I'll show you how they work, best prompts, hidden features, real-world use cases, and productivity hacks professionals use every day. Subscribe now because video 3 is where practical AI mastery begins.
If you are serious about your future, like this video, subscribe, and don't miss our full course, AI Career Mastery 2026. Who ignore AI today will struggle tomorrow.